Ikaw ba ay isang business owner or ikaw ba ay isang individual na gusto mag-start ng business pero di mo alam anong business ang gagawin mo? Because wala kang kapital? Pangalawa, mahirap mag-start ng sarili mong business? Pangatlo, wala kang structure? Mahirap ibenta ang product? Hindi ka sigurado kung saan mo ibibenta yung product mo? Nakakatakot, baka walang nagtitiwala sa iyo. So hey everyone, my name is Casin Dale Vilango or also known as Coco with my Moringa. At ngayong araw, magbibigay ako ng just a few details kung paano nagiging lamang ang My Moringa compared to other businesses or paano makakatulong ang My Moringa if you're planning to start your own business. Una sa lahat, low risks compared to starting from scratch because the company is already been established, meron ng system, operation, meron na tayong target market and markets already. And kilala na ho yung brand sa buong Pilipinas. So it would be like low risk compared to starting from scratch because when you start your business, you have to start all over again. You have to advertise, you have to market. Kailangan maging kilala muna siya, kailangan maging maingay muna siya, and there's a lot of users, should be a lot of users for you to be known in the market. But here in My Moringa, we don't have that much competitor. At the same time, it's already known in the market, marami na hong user, and then madali siyang ibenta because kilala na siya. So that's one. Come to think of it, you are starting an operations immediately without thinking of, creating a website, mag-create ka pa ng marketing materials na mga establish your brand here. It's there. All you have to do is just push for it and let them know that you are there, that you are part of My Moringa. Ganun lang kasimple. So pangatlo is that we have built-in training and support, which means My Moringa, it's here along the way to support you in all aspects. We have like a training, marketing materials, and continuous guidance. So it's just, helping each other, not just you investing into something na wala hong patutunguhan. So let's just, compare what other like franchise owners, ano ho yung mga strategies na nag-work sa kanila. It could work with you as well. What are the tested and proven strategies? What are the proven processes? So it make, your business easier to grow. So many people already trusted the brand, make it easier for you to attract sales and attract customers and also resellers. Kumbaga sa pagkain pa, nakahanda na ho lahat yung ulam at saka pagkain or kanin. Kakainin mo na lang. And lastly, shared business model. Of course, if My Moringa succeed, the franchise owners will succeed as well. No, it's like helping each other, of course. To sum it up, being a hub or franchise owner here at My Moringa, it's very beneficial. It's easier. It's easy to access. It's known in the market. And of course, magtutulungan ho tayo dito. And once again, this is Casindale and happy selling everyone.